Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You will begin by confirming requirements. A 64-bit Android with at least 2 GB RAM and 16 GB free. Once done, install Termux for command access and a VM app like UTM or Limbo so you can emulate hardware. You need a legally obtained Windows 10 ISO and a tool to convert it if necessary. Make sure to enable storage permissions and USB debugging if your device needs file transfer. This gets you into the first actionable setup phase. You now configure the virtual machine inside your VM app. Create a new VM, assign CPU cores and 2 GB RAM, and create an 816 GB virtual disk image. Once configured, attach the Windows 10 ISO and choose UEFI or Legacy BIOS depending on the VM. Make sure network is set to NAT or Bridge so installation can fetch updates if needed. Adjust display and enable virtualization extensions when the app offers them to improve performance and compatibility during install. Boot the VM and follow the Windows 10 installer prompts. Select the virtual disk and format it, then proceed with the standard setup. Once Windows is installed, add guest additions or drivers from the VM app to enable proper display, input mapping, and shared folders. Make sure to install updates and adjust resolution for touch or keyboard use. If something goes wrong, check VM logs, increase RAM or CPU, and try switching BIOS modes. That single troubleshooting step often resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.